Good morning, students. Hope you are fit and fine. In our previous class, we have discussed the poem Autumn by John Clare. I feel you have understood the poem. Now, I am trying to summarize this poem. The poet loves the gusty wind in autumn, shaking the casement all day long. কবি ভালোবাসেন দমকা বাতাস যেটা সারাদিন ধরে জানালাকে নাড়িয়ে দিয়ে যায়। In autumn, the fitful gust drives away the faded leaves from the mossy elm tree, scattering them down the lane. দমকা বাতাস সেই মশে ঢাকা এলম গাছের শুকনো পাতাগুলোকে ঝরিয়ে দেয়, তারপর তারা সেই হাজারটা শুকনো পাতার ভিড়ে জমা হয়। The poet is fascinated to look at the trembling and swaying of the twig till the night. কবি ভালোবাসেন ছোট ছোট শাখা প্রশাখার নৃত্য সন্ধ্যার অবসান পর্যন্ত। The chirping of the sparrow on the cottage roof gives the false impression that the spring is still there. কবি দেখেছেন সেই ছোট্ট চড়াই পাখির কিচিরমিচির বুঝিয়ে দেয় বসন্ত যেন আছে লীলা ভরে, গ্রীষ্মের কোলে ফুলসজ্জার আসরে। The poet loves also the cottage smoke going up through the leafless trees. কবি এটাও ভালোবাসেন কুটিরের ধোঁয়া কুণ্ডলী আকারে উপর দিকে উঠে যাচ্ছে ন্যাড়া গাছের ফাঁক দিয়ে। The pigeons nestled in their coat. পায়রারা সুখেই আছে, আরামে আছে তাদের বাসায়। The cock crowing upon the dunghill. গোবরের স্তূপের উপর দাঁড়িয়ে মোরগের ডাক। And the mills whirling over the heath. আর হাওয়া কল ঘুরে পোড়ো জমির বুকে। The poet also sees the mills whirling over the heath. Heath means just barren land. Then he sees the feather from the crow falls down on the field, covered with stubble of harvested grains. The stubble, the short lower part of the stem of crops and grass covered land. কবি দেখেছেন দাঁড় কাকের বুক থেকে ঝরে পড়ে পালক ফসল তোলা মাঠে। The acorns near the old crow's nest. ওক ফলগুলি বুড়ো কাকের বাসার পাশে। The fruits of oak are falling down with soft ticking sound, that is spattering. আর সেই ওক ফলগুলি টুকটুক করে ঝরে পড়ছে ওক গাছ থেকে গাছের তলায়। The grunting pigs are hurrying to eat those fallen acorns. আর সেই ওক ফলগুলির জন্য হুড়োহুড়ি করে দ্রুত ছুটে যায় ঘুঁত ঘুঁত করা শূকরগুলি। This was the poem. Now we have also discussed exercise 1 and 2. Again I am telling exercise 1, take the correct answer from the given alternatives. All through the day the fitful gust shakes the casement. Number 2, the poet loves to see the shaking twig dance till the start of eve, সন্ধ্যার অবসান পর্যন্ত। Third, the sparrow sat on the cottage roof. কুটিরের কার্নিশে থাকে, বাড়ির কার্নিশে বা কুটিরের চালে থাকে চড়ুই পাখি। দ্য পিজনস নেসেলড রাউন্ড দ্য কোট, পায়রাগুলো আরামে বাসায় থাকে। দ্য কক ওয়াজ ক্রোয়িং আপন দ্য ডাং হিল, গোবরের স্তূপে দাঁড়িয়ে মোরগ ডাকতে থাকে। নেক্সট নাম্বার 6, দ্য গ্রান্টিং পিগস স্ক্রাম্বল অ্যান্ড হারি, ঘোত ঘোত করা শূকরগুলি দ্রুত ছুটে যায় ওক ফলগুলির জন্য সেগুলি সংগ্রহ করবে বলে। দিস ওয়ার দ্য MCQ question answers. Next, number 2, exercise 2. Again I am telling. Question first. What happens to the leaves of the mossy elm tree in autumn? Answer. In autumn, the fitful gust drives away the faded leaves from the mossy elm tree, scattering them down the lane. Number 2. What are the things the poet loves to see on November days? On November days, the poet loves to see the cottage smoke curling upwards through the naked trees, the pigeons nestled in their coat, the cock crowing upon the dunghill, and the mills swirling over the heap. Okay. Now, exercise number 3. It is grammatical portion. Listen to these answers attentively. State whether the following sentences are in active or passive voice. First, Anil will visit his grandmother's house. It is obviously active voice. Why? Because here the subject of the sentence is the doer, and the subject performs the action. Again I am telling, the subject performs the action, so it is active voice. Next, the president has left his office. It is also active voice. Why? The subject performs the action. Okay. Number 3, the project will have been finished by the students. Here the subject is not performing. The subject receives the action done. Again I am telling, the subject receives the action done, so it is passive voice. Next, D, Paromita's leave has been sanctioned by the school authority. It is also passive voice. Why? Because the subject receives the action done. The subject receives the action done. Okay. Now, exercise 4. The boy has read out the letter. This is present perfect tense. So, it will be the letter has been read out by the boy. Number 2. I shall have bought a cricket bat by tomorrow. A cricket bat will have been bought by me by tomorrow. Again I am telling, a cricket bat will have been bought by me by tomorrow. Next, C, Sohini's friends had organized a picnic. A picnic had been organized by Sohini's friends. Next, D, the football team will put up a brave fight. A brave fight will be put up by the football team. Okay, hope you have understood. Now, exercise 5. Narration change. I said to him, will you share your tiffin with me? Question mark. So, I asked him if he would share his tiffin with me. Anjan's mother said, your father has left for Mumbai. Answer. Anjan's mother said Anjan that his father had left for Mumbai. Yorta change hoye hobe his, has ta change hoye hobe had. The girls triumphantly said, "Hooray, we have won the match." The girls exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Next, D. He says, "Let you be successful in life." He wishes that I may be success in life. He wishes that I may be success in life. E. The captain informed the tournament was postponed last month. The captain informed that the tournament had been, because it was in the past, was reporting verb past, reported verb past. So therefore reported verb will be past perfect. The tournament had been postponed the previous month. Last month, the previous month. Hope you have understood all these narration changes. Now I will give you some questions for home task. First, answer the following questions within 15 words. Number 1. Whose dance does the poet love to see? Again I am telling, whose dance does the poet love to see? Number 2. How long does the shaking twig dance? How long does the shaking twig dance? Third, what does the cock crow? What does the cock crow? Fourth, what does the raven's feather fall? What does the raven's feather fall? Now answer the following questions within 25 words. First one was within 15 words. প্রথমের গুলো 15টি শব্দের মধ্যে করতে হবে, এইগুলো 25টি। Now what does the fitful gust do? First one. Second, what would the chirping of the sparrow make believe? Again, what would the chirping of the sparrow make believe? Third, how do the acorns fall? Fourth, what are the attitudes and the activities of the pigs? What are the attitudes and the activities of the pigs? These are the home tasks and it is over. Hope it will be beneficial to you. Now stay safe, stay healthy, and it is over. We will meet on the next day. Okay.